How to redeem ExitLag gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you can redeem your ExitLag gift card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, search for ExitLag. After you search for ExitLag, you'll find ExitLag's website. As you can see, the website is pretty simple as well. It's www.exitlag.com. You can directly head over there as well. So after you've done that, what you'll need to do is tap on the Get ExitLag option. And after you tap on Get ExitLag, it will prompt you to another page. After you're here, you can simply scroll down, and there you'll find the enter discount code option. So all you now have to do to redeem it is enter the discount code, whatever it might be. And after you've done that, tap on apply. After you tap on apply, the ExitLag coupon will be redeemed and you will get a discount on your packages here. And if you're already on your account and you already do own a package, you can also do the same process to get a discount. And that's basically it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.